another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button right down below. Hit that post notification bell so you know when your girl is uploading, like duh. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. As you guys can see from the title today, your girl is unboxing her brand new iPhone 13 Pro. Like duh. Enough of this chit chat, let's just jump right into it. Alright, so y'all know that your girl is not a techie, like literally not a techie at all. So this is literally going to be the girliest unboxing that you're going to get. So it literally came, you know, in a shipping package. First of all, look how they dented my damn package. Like, UPS, please be careful with people's packages out here. Like, come on now. Thank God for this little airbags that's in here, but honestly, the airbags were on top of the phone. Great. So, yes, honestly, first of all, looking at this has to be the flattest iPhone box I have ever received. Like literally, look how flat this is. Usually I feel like the boxes are like a little bit more like stacked. So already I really like this. This is the first time I feel like the boxes are not white. I mean, comment down below if I'm wrong, because I didn't have an iPhone 12. I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I think that's what it's called, 11 Pro Max. So I opted for the iPhone 13 Pro only because I was just tired of having this big ass phone. If y'all know me, or you're like my friends that are watching this, y'all know that I always carry my Dior bag, and my Dior bag is so tiny and this phone never fits. So I was kind of tired of my phone not being able to fit in my basic everyday bag, because clearly, truly my Dior bag is my everyday bag. Now, I know this is supposed to be an unboxing, but I'm just talking. I did receive, if you follow me on Instagram, which you should, if you don't, it's at I am Nia-Imani. I did receive 2 iPhone 12 Pro cases from Casetify. They sent those to me, and honestly, they asked me which phone case I wanted. I think 12 was the only one that they had, like out of the newest ones, and I didn't really know that an iPhone 13 was going to come out. So I asked for the 12 Pro because that's the phone that I was originally going to get. But then the week that I was going to get a phone, this dropped. So I'm going to see if my iPhone 12 Pro cases work for this. I don't think so. I feel like I watched a video with somebody who was an actual techie unboxing theirs, and it didn't work. But I'm going to still try it for shits and giggles. So let's just start with it, okay? Start with this. Okay, also, if you guys can't see, I got it in the blue color, which is very shocking, I know. I'm honestly pissed that the iPhone 13 Pro and the Pro Max doesn't come in pink. I'm highly upset because if you know me, pink is my color, but it is what it is. But yes, here is this phone. So let me be very careful, because Jesus, if I drop this. So here's what it's looking like. So let's pull this out the box. So she comes with this white screen. Now I did see people say that this phone was a little heavier than well, maybe they was talking about the 12. But I think this phone is heavier than this phone. My 11 Pro Max is definitely heavier than my 13 Pro. So if you have the 11 Pro Max, this is definitely lighter. Not that it's really that big of a deal. I believe also this is the first time it's coming with the white film on top. Usually it comes with the plastic film, and like I keep saying, I'm basing this off of when I unboxed my 11 Pro Max because I didn't have the 12. Okay, so yes, here it is. The back is so smooth. I'm loving the chrome sides. I have oily hands right now because I just, like I said, filmed the video. So I'm glad I'm getting a case because this little greasy sides, I just don't like that. But I love that the back is so soft. So here's what it looks like. I'm gonna give y'all a little close up. So yes, I'm super excited. But before I take this little film off, let me go and get my cases and see if it fits. Here is the case that Caseify sent me. I did customize this. They had me customize it. It's super cute. Here's the case that I customized for when I was getting the 12 Pro. So let's see if it fits the 13. Let's see. Which, low-key hoping it does. Even though Caseify is sending me another case for my 13 Pro, but I have 2 cases for the 12 Pro. So it's kind of like, damn. If I would have known that, I would have just waited. But they didn't even have 13 Pro cases on the website at the time of me purchasing. Now, honestly, it's pretty much going in somewhat easy. Somewhat. One side did, at least. The side with the camera is struggling. Yeah, so like it's going in, but I'm like I'm literally forcing this shit on here at this point. Okay, like this is as far as I can get the case on. Like it's literally not coming on. So it went on this side. It's just not really going on this side. But yeah, it is what it is. Maybe I will give these cases away in my next giveaway. Yeah, maybe I'll just give these cases away because they're literally not fitting, and there's really nothing I could really do about that, which I'm kind of sad because this was so cute and it was customized. But anyway, it is what it is. All right, let's turn this baby on. So I'm gonna peel the film. Also, my screen protector is coming today. I ordered that off of Amazon. So here we go. We got a new phone. It's like weird that truly, first of all, I thought that I had just 11 Pro, and then my cousin told me this was the max. So this shows you how much I am. You know, I'm really not a techie. But here's like the difference. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but there's like quite a difference. Anyway, let's turn this baby on. Oh, I didn't even say what comes in the box. Let me put her over here real quick. So all that comes in the box, you know, the information pamphlet and just the charger cord. Just literally, it's not really a USB cord, but y'all, it is basically a USB cord. Only the cord comes. The block itself does not come with the phone anymore. So that's probably another reason why the box is so flat, because they don't have to put that big ass block in here. And no headphones come in this. So like my mom had the iPhone 7 Pro or whatever she had. She had the 7, that line of phones. So she never got the new charger. So now she had to go to the store and go get a block because she didn't have that. And she was kind of pissed off that they didn't have headphones in there. Even though her headphones work, but she was just still pissed off that she didn't get no new headphones. So Apple is kind of like basically forcing people now to go to the store and buy the blocks and the headphones, you know, which is kind of sucky. But especially because they shit don't even be lasting like that. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. But let's turn this baby on. I feel like why in the past it was just able to just turn on. Do I have to hold it? Okay, there we go. I had to hold it for it to come on. So it's turning on. It's honestly cute. I honestly love the fact that this phone is smaller. Like, it's not like I got this big old house phone on the side. Oh, and it says hello in script. Oh, y'all missed it. Oh, there it goes. It's like saying hello in script, which I love. They never really did it in script before. It was always, well, cursive. I want to be correct. They never really did it in cursive before. It was just like, hello, but I mean, but yeah, so let's get to this. Let's swipe up. So y'all gonna, so now is when I'm going to basically just set up my phone. Like I said, I'm not a techie, so comment down below, let me know how I'm doing in this video, whatever. Like, I really don't know. People on Instagram, once again, I did a poll and everyone said they wanted to see me unbox his phone. So this is why I'm unboxing the phone. Okay, so the phone is on. I just realized that I did not tell y'all what gigabyte I got. So I got the 258 gigabyte. And the reason why, at first I was gonna get the 500, but then I was like, I looked on this phone and I was nowhere close to the full capacity of this phone. So I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna just stick to that. I mean, if I have to upgrade, I have to upgrade. It is what it is, but it wasn't that deep for me to really get the 500 gigabyte. All right, so this is what it looks like. I already got a notification. It says system, no SIM card installed. What the hell does that mean? Stuff still got SIM cards? Use this iPhone when sharing location. I know, but also, I get it. Actually, I've been calling my mom when my phone was off. She's not answering. I mean, when my camera was off, she's not answering the phone. I go to my email. This lady is sending me emails to my help me. I can't turn my phone on. She was literally at T-Mobile or Sprint, whichever one it is now. Because, you know, T-Mobile bought Sprint, whatever. She was literally at the store. So I'm like, how did, like, child, I don't know. So, okay, so this phone is like not opening, I guess because I don't have a SIM card. I don't know what that means. Okay, not all of my pictures loaded on my phone yet, and that's making me nervous. Phone numbers are in, but do I have service to call? See, I can't call. What the hell is going on? Let me just end this video and do all of that good stuff. So, we are at the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, I'm not a tech girl, so I don't really know what to really do and say in these type of videos. Y'all voted for this on Instagram. I just delivered. So, yes, I love you guys so much. Stay safe, stay masked up, you know, put the mask on. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.